ARVGate, an AR-based navigation system. So the problem statement that we're looking at is while navigating through bustling streets, individuals often lack an immersive experience to discern the diverse commercial establishments. For a person new to navigating the campus and locating important facilities like a principal's office, the auditorium, or even the canteen can be challenging. So right now, the current solution is only Google Maps, where it's not an immersive experience and a person has to identify it separately. But what we provide is a completely user-friendly and immersive experience where people can find restaurants, the rating, the opening time, the closing time, and multiple other functionalities in an AR-based immersive experience. A gap analysis of the campus navigation looks like this. Right now, if a person has to find a principal's office, they do not have an option to find it in an immersive way. The corridors look empty, they have no idea where to go. But with our navigation system, it is very convenient to go about it. The research objective that we're looking at is to find a live camera feed AR directional details, identify places, provide user-friendly and interactive approach, and indoor navigation with it college will be integrated. This is a system designed for outdoor navigation. This is the system designed for indoor navigation. And this is the live camera feed of how we are different from Google Maps. As you can see, right now the permission to take location will pass, and after which the app will pop up. This app has been created in Android Studio. Here also the Google Maps which has been provided below. Multiple ratings of different restaurants keep popping up, which make the user experience very friendly. This has been taken in Google Road in Bangalore. As you can see, multiple restaurants can also pop up at the same time. Moving on. And in indoor navigation, how are we different? Indoor navigation, the existing solution allows only two options, either go solo or ask around. Our solution provides a very immersive user-friendly experience. Results of this are shown here. For example, in use case of one, which is temple, as you can see, the arrow directly point towards the temple, and this is the one that we are referring to. This is a live demonstration of our model being workable in our campus. As you can see here, there's the option of staff room has been chosen. It can be changed into multiple different options. We have 28 data